Hello, family members. Welcome back to my channel. This is Liton Ahmed, and I'm going to share with you how to introduce yourself in front of your student, many student, or in front of people. First of all, you have to say, "This is Liton Ahmed, and I'm currently 29, and I'm from Bogora city, but currently I live at Dhaka. Okay, I have completed diploma engineering on 2018 from a government institute that was Bhola Polytechnic Institute. I want to become an engineer so that I want to go to abroad for my higher studies. My favorite hobby is listening English podcast. When I get free time, I watch English podcast on YouTube and listen all years English podcast offline. And I love traveling, and there are four members in my family, and we are very happy family, and my father, my mother, and I have one elder sister, and I. So that's all me for now. Thank you.